Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Uber app. First, scroll down, turn on your location, then turn on your app. Okay, so once your app starts up, you go to the Where To box and type where you want to go. So you can either type the address up there or you can type one of these pre-suggested ones. After that, you'll be shown this economy. There is a Uber X and a Uber XL. If you're traveling by yourself, I suggest you type the Uber X. It's a cheaper version. Then at the bottom there, you will see the Visa. You just click on it and change it to cash if you want to pay by cash. After that, click the bottom, the black box that says Confirm Uber X. Once you click that, your ride will be on its way and you will be on your way. Alright, thanks for watching.